Hello folks and welcome! I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade and I want to explain to you the activity in the stock of TXTM. The ticker ran more than 250%, and for someone who was vigilant and alert, it was rather easy to take the stock at a price of as low as 0013. On the 30th of April, the company executed a letter of intent stating a joint venture between TXTM and RSAMMD. RSAMMD is a huge CBD company that aspires to educate and support doctors, physicians, and healthcare professionals about the benefits of medical-grade cannabis in order to create responsible and reliable treatment programs for their patients, as well as an access point to pharmaceutical-grade, trialed and tested medical cannabis products. The terms of the agreement are to test the extraction technology of TXTM and commercialize the results. In addition, all of the costs associated with the process will be covered by RSAMMD. The main benefit would be, as stated by the company, being able to deliver the entire cannabinoid profile without psychotropic effects could be a game changer for researchers and patients globally. Later on, the CEO, David Lewis, confirmed that the company was going current. There would be no AS raise and no reverse split. David Lewis is also the CEO of CYIO, a high-priced crypto loan company. Then filings started coming out, the last of which was uploaded on the 50th of July, the attorney letter. Right when the last of the filings hit, we can see that the stock started to rise. And it didn't stop until it increased its value by more than 250%. That is due to the realization of the investors that there is huge potential in TXTM. I hope you have learned and enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe and check out the Simple Trade Discord community for more valuable content. See you all in the next video, and let's have a great month!